Thank you, Deputy Presiding Officer. This weekend, the Merthyr Rising Festival will commemorate the events of May 1831, when iron workers, miners and their families rose up against the deplorable living and working conditions they had to endure. During the protest, the rebels bathed their flag in calf's blood, believed to be the first time the red flag was used as a symbol of revolution. There are still buildings and sites in Merthyr which played a significant part in the rising, not least of which is the Debtors' Court of Requests, where those in debt often face seizure of their property and belongings, plunging them into further destitution. But whilst buildings like the court are a reminder of the rising, it is the people behind it who matter most. And one of those was Richard Lewis, or Dick Penderyn as he was more commonly known. At least 28 people died during the rising, but it was for allegedly wounding a soldier that Dick Penderyn was scapegoated, brought before the courts, sentenced to death and hanged at Cardiff Jail on the 13th of August 1831, protesting his innocence to the end with his last words, "O Arglwydd, dyma gamwedd, O Lord, hear his injustice." Despite a subsequent deathbed confession by the real culprit, Dick Penderyn has never been pardoned, but I'm proud to have added my name to the support for the campaign by his family to achieve this. So this weekend, we will remember Dick's legacy and the spirit of the workers of Merthyr who rose up against injustice and tyranny, paving the way for future political and social reform in Britain, and we will continue the fight for justice for Dick Penderyn.